About 2 years ago, I walked into this club, live band was playing, I hear a song, and it was the Bible in the Belt, song that I'd written. I walked in, their big old grin, pretty cool.
I found religion between the Bible and the bed.
I'm Tim Gates. I'm the lead singer of a band called Due West. When I come in to sing, I hate to have all the lights on. Maybe Matt will light a little candle for me or something. You know, vanilla flavor, whatever. That creates a good vibe for me.
Draw a warm bath.
And draw a warm bath, whatever. But most of all, I love being home. I'll pull out the guitar and I'll teach them old Don Williams songs. That's one of my favorite things to do as a family. So my wife, she got me a job one time at a center for people with disabilities, and together we took care of people with severe disabilities, and I grew to love it. And I met a guy, his name's Timmy, and we call him Timmy Tim. Hey Timmy, you're the best.
I'm freezing.
I'm coming, I'll fix your air conditioner when I get there. I'm on my way. Goodbye. I put on 70, so he's freezing. I gotta go turn it up. Timmy was born with what they call fetal alcohol syndrome. He's kind of on a third grade level, I guess you would say. You're the best.
Hi.
This is Timmy, the famous Timmy Tim.
Yeah.
He's the best.
Okay.
Sure love you.
Love you. There.
You're gonna come to the house and eat dinner with us?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah.
I got a call from his mom one day. She was tearing up a little bit. She said, hey, I got cancer. And she said, she said, Timmy has a thing, you know, talks about you all the time, and I feel like your family. She goes, can he move in with you? Because I don't want him to be there when I die. I said, yeah, sure, I'll take him in. So I told my wife, she goes, okay. Got him an apartment, got him a job, and got him on his own. We take care of all his personal needs. It's a blessing for us.
You bring that for me?
So there's bills.
Bills.
And junk mail.
Yeah.
It's all paid.
So all my rent and all this is already paid?
Yeah. You're paid up till August. What do you think of that?
Thank you.
He'll call and call and call until you answer. I've had 43 calls missed by him in a half-hour time because he really wanted to say goodnight. And then he'd say, you're the best. Sure love you.
Here, let me fix the seat for you.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
The cool thing is our kids see that, and they get to see the work that we do with him, and it's a cool little thing for our family. Sure love you.
She love y'all.
You're the best.
Yeah, you're the best.
I'm a husband. I'm a father. I love country music. I'm Tim Gates, and I'm a Mormon.